Yes, ma. Now let's see. See, we already finished what ma? Your core Python concept already finished. Now, now let's observe. Let's start with advanced Python. So first of all, let me show you the concept, ma. Which concept we are discussing as part of the advanced Python. As part of the advanced Python, I repeat guys, as part of the advanced Python, yes, we are going to discuss about control statement. The first topic is control statement. Repeat, my first concept is what? Control statement. We are going to discuss a concept called control statements, right? So as part of the control statements, guys, observe, remember, if you want to do anything, control statement is what? One of the key concept, guys. If you want to do anything, control statement is one of the key concept, right? So if you're good in this control statement, basically for technical questions, if you go for interview in technical questions, no doubt guys, yes, you are able to clear the answers. Okay, so here we have the topics called conditional statements, conditional statements, and then we have a topic called what ma? Looping statements, and we have a concept called transfer statements. So in control statement, repeat my, in control statements, okay, there are the three important concepts. One is called conditional, second one is called looping statement, and third one is called what? Transfer statement. These are the very, very important things, guys. So once it is done, then we are going to discuss about a concept called collections concept. Collections. See, in control statement, actually we worked on what? A single value we worked, guys. But in the real time, not only single value, right? We have what? A group of values may occur. A group of values may occur. To perform operations on group of values, to perform operations on group of values, let's go for what? Your collection concept. As part of the collections, yes, we are going to get a list concept, and then a tuple concept, and then we are going to get what? Set concept, and we'll get what? Dictionary, and then strings concept. Okay, so as part of the collection, yes, we are going to get these concepts. These two concepts are very, very important concept, guys. So based on this one, based on control statement, I'll give you two projects. Based on the collections, I'll give you two projects, guys. I repeat, based on the control statement itself, I'll give two projects, as well as based on your collections also, I'm going to give you two projects, guys. Right? Once it's done, then we are going to start your oops concept. Okay. Later, yes, of course, we are going to start oops concept. So generally, if your target is, so up to now here, what happened? We are working with only one particular statement. I mean, what a single user is able to work. But if your requirement is multiple user want to communicate, then you need to go forward your oops concept. So I'm going to introduce the oops concept. Of course, as part of the oops concept, I'm going to discuss with you what. Yes, ma. So what is a class? What is a class? What is object? How to create a class? How to create an object? So different types of variables, different types of variables, and I will discuss about different types of methods, different types of variables, different types of methods, and then we are going to discuss about constructor, how to call methods. We discussed how to call functions, but here how to call methods. Okay, then constructor, different types of constructors, different types of constructor, and of course we are going of course we are going to discuss what my inheritance. We'll discuss about method overloading, and we'll discuss about method overriding, and we'll discuss about polymorphism, right? So as well as we'll discuss about error handling techniques. We'll discuss about what my error handling technique. These things we are going to discuss. done. And then we are going to discuss about based on after this concept, yes, we will discuss about what some advanced concept related to what your models and packages, models and packages. Okay, so in the real time scenario, whenever you are develop the project at the time, not only single user, as we have what multiple users available, right? How we have to access your colleague what code in your program, how to access your colleague code in your program, that what we'll discuss as part of what models and packages. As well as Python also provided some lot of predefined what models and packages, right? So you are going to learn how to access that predefined as well as user defined models and packages. So as part of here, predefined and user defines, right? So how to generate, and we will discuss about how to generate pin numbers, not pin numbers, no, OTP numbers. So whenever today, observe, whenever you are doing any transaction, OTP numbers are quite common, right? How to generate that type of OTP numbers? It is not a fixed numbers, right? It is not a sequence also. One time one number, another time another number occurred. How to generate that OTP numbers? Okay, and then of course we will discuss what files, and we'll discuss Python to files, and then I will discuss about database, and then I will discuss about what Python to database, and then I will discuss about what Python to database. And based on this, of course, we are doing some project work also. Okay, so based on that, we are going to do project work. And functions, or lambda functions, we'll discuss about lambda functions, right? And then we are going to discuss about some very advanced technology, advanced tools like numpy, numpy, and then we'll discuss about pandas, and then we'll discuss about matplot library. Okay, so numpy, pandas, matplot library, these things also we are going to discuss, guys, right? Of course, based on this one more project. So here, these are the concepts which we are going to discuss as part of what your advanced Python, as part of your advanced Python. In all the scenario, once the particular concept done, yes, we are going to discuss what we are going to give you project work also. We are going to provide project work also, right? So this is actually our syllabus as part of advanced Python. I repeat, man, this is our syllabus as part of what advanced Python. Okay. Now let's observe. Let's start your first concept. What is our first concept? Control statements is our first concept, right? Let me start control statements. Right. Let me start control statement. So, guys, before starting control statement, let me ask some basic questions. Okay. If you go for your friend marriage party, if you go for friend marriage party or some other party, I mean any functions, generally they offered us what dinner or lunch, right? Imagine you attended one marriage function. They are offering what dinner. In that one, they have an items like this one. They have an items as like this. Observe the items. The items are total. They prepared what 12 or 13 items they prepared. Item number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Imagine like some items they prepared, and what they done, they arrange the chairs, we go there, sit there, and what are the items they have? All items what they done, guys, all items what they done, one by one, they are going to serve you one by one, all the items they are going to serve you one by one, all items they are going to serve you, right? This is the normal process. Yes, actually, here the problem is what? If you like or don't like, doesn't matter. Whatever the item they served, yes, you have to take that item. Something by mistake, some item you liked very well. So until they bring that item, you have to wait and you have to observe, right? So that the food, I mean, the dinner lunch pattern change, right? No buffet system, guys. Guys, do you know buffet system? Yes, in marriage functions, we have what buffet system, right? Guys, do you know buffet system? How many of you know, guys, buffet system? Just ping me yes if you know. Buffet. Yes, if you know, ping me a message called S. Okay, good, nice. Now, good, now imagine you attended for one buffet system. You attended for one buffet system. Now in that buffet system, observe, they arranged items like this, They arranged items as, so first item, second item, third item, three items done. One, two, three, three items done. And next, observe, they feel that vegetarian, non-vegetarian both available. So for the sake of vegetarian purpose, they prepared one item. Non-vegetarian purpose, they prepared one more item, guys. Vegetarian purpose one item, non-vegetarian purpose another item, and these items are very costly and very delicious also. So that's the reason they kept a rule, what? Only one item. Only one item, that too only one time you have to take. Maybe this one or maybe this one, any one item, that too what, only one time, not multiple times. They kept this rule, guys. Remaining items are okay, normal thing. So then they said what, okay, you can take any number of times, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, okay, and 13th item. Remaining items, they don't have any restrictions, so you can eat, but only 4 and 5 are very costly item. There's a reason they kept a restriction that only one time. They requested for everyone only one time, right? Now let's see, guys. Imagine our friends started taking the plates. Okay, now let's take the plate. One, two, three, three items are done. uh, Guys, now imagine this person, imagine this name is Vishnu, imagine his name is Vishnu. Now Vishnu want to take the item. He's a pure vegetarian, guys. Guys, observe, is a pure vegetarian. So imagine this is a veg purpose, this is non-veg purpose. They arranged items what? Non-veg purpose. Veg purpose separate item, non-veg purpose separate item they prepared. Okay. Now let's see here. Now let's see. 1, 2, 3 items are done. After 1, 2, 3 items. Okay. Vishnu is belongs to pure vegetarian. Vishnu is belongs to pure vegetarian, guys. Now after third step is stopped and observed. One side veg, one side non-veg. Then, guys, pure veg ante pure veg only. Saturday ille, sir, Sunday remaining days okay. It's not like that. Okay, he's a pure veg only, right? Now tell me, guys, this Vishnu goes which side? 5 or 4? Yes, my everyone. Tell me, guys, this Vishnu now goes to which side, 4 or 5? Yes, everyone, ping me answers in chat box. Yes, my everyone, ping me answers in chat box. Good. Obviously, right? He is a pure vegetarian. There's a reason he went to which side? Fourth side. Went to fourth side, collected that item only one time, again back, and again he continue remaining items. Again he continue remaining items. Done. Same way, there is one more candidate. Okay. Yes, there is one more candidate. Name is okay, Varma. Varma take the plate. Varma take the plate. First three items done. And this Varma is a pure non-vegetarian, guys. This Varma is a pure non-vegetarian. He want non-vegetarian. Now Varma, tell me, guys. Now Varma goes for which side? Yes, everyone. Now Varma goes for which side? Good, ma. Now this Varma goes to which side, ma? The Varma goes to, okay, fifth side, right? Good. So without second thought, because it's a non-veg, so we went for fifth side. So collect the item and then what? Back to here, and then continue. And then continue, guys. Right? So at the time of taking this item, guys, remember The seventh and eighth items are very, very tasty item, guys. Delicious item. Yummy item. Now, does we stop for only one time? We never stop for only one time, right? We'll go for what? Second time. Okay. Yes, we'll go for second time, right? Done. Then it is very tasty, ma. Then what happened? Again third time. Wow, nice food. Again fourth time. Again fifth time. Yes, next time if you go na, they will take your plate and give entire bowl. So here what happened was seventh, eighth items are very delicious item. There's a reason what what ma you taken those item not one time, multiple times you are taking those items. Wow, good. Your stomach full. Your stomach full. Then it's not possible to eat 9, 10, 11, 12 remaining items. But observe guys, the 13th one. Observe guys, the 13th one is ice cream, ma. Of course, even if your stomach is full, even if your stomach is full, what you will do, maybe you didn't eat remaining item, but you can go for what, ma'am? But you can go for what? 13th item, right? Because it's ice cream, you can move to the 13th. You can skip certain item, you went for what? 13th item, right? Now observe here how we are taking items, guys. According to our interest, according to our interest, we are taking items. According, I repeat, guys, according to our interest, yes, we are taking items, right? I repeat, my according to our interest, we are taking items, right? Good. So observe the two differences in the first scenario. So all items comes one after another. In the first scenario, all items comes one after another. But if I want to control the flow, if I want to control that flow, we need to use a concept. That concept is called control statements. Here, sometimes I have to take the decision. Sometimes I have to take the decision. So I have multiple options available. I have to choose only one. In such scenario, we need to use conditional statements. In that scenario, I have to go for what? My conditional statements. So multiple options available, but I have to choose any one. Go for conditional. Same way here, what happened, guys? Yes, multiple times you are executing, right? For the sake of multiple times, go for what? Looping statements. Repetition. I have some lines available, those lines I want to execute multiple times. I have some lines available, those lines I have to execute multiple times. Go for what? Looping statements. Now I have to skip certain lines. I have to go to what? My last line. So if you want to skip and you want to execute last line, then we need to go for what? Transfer statements. Conditional statements, looping statements, transfer statement. These three combinedly called as what? Control statements. So today our concept is what? Control statement is our concept. Control statement. This is our concept. As part of the advanced Python, our first concept is what? Control statement is our first concept. Okay. As part of the control statement, as part of the control statement, let's see why it comes. Okay, done. Now, first of all, try to understand what is the purpose of control flow statements. Control flow statements are used to control flow of execution. Control flow statement are used to control what? No, flow of execution. So they are classified into, there are three types. Control statements are what? Three types. Let's see. Three types. Control flow statements. Flow statement are classified into three types. The first one is called what? Conditional statements. Conditional statements. Second one is what? Looping statements. Third one is what? Transfer statement. conditional statements, looping statement, and then transfer statement. These are the three types we have. Right? So control flow statement classified into three types: conditional, looping, transfer statements. Conditional statement, looping statement, transfer statements. Of course, as part of the conditional statements, yes, we are going to work with what? If else, elif, elif. Next one is what? Multiple if. Next what? Nested if. That's it. If else, elif, multiple if, nested if. These all things comes what? As part of your conditional statements. As part of the conditional statement, yes, we are going to get all these things. Of course, if you observe looping statement, actually as part of the looping statement means what I said. So if you want to execute certain statement multiple times, then we need to go for what? Looping statement. If you want to execute certain statement multiple times, go for what? Looping statement, right? As part of the looping statement, here two types are there, guys. I said what? Write Python 5 times. If I say write Python 5 times, that means what happened? Yes, you have to write Python 5 times, right? You know number of times when to stop. You know number of times when to stop, right? Now I said write Python until your page finished. Okay, until your page finished. That means what is your target here? You have to write Python how many times in the sense? Until the page finished. Until that page finished, right? So if you observe here two categories, one is range based. Based on the range we have loops, and second one is what? Based on condition we have. Your looping statement basically classified into two categories, based on the range, and second one is what? Based on the condition. I repeat, looping statements are classified into two types. One is based on the range, and the other one is what? Based on condition. Right? Based on the range, based on the condition, two categories. Right? Now let's see based on the range. Based on the range, observe here. Yes, we have what? For loop. Range means for loop. Next, for else. For loop, for else. Based on the condition. Based on condition, we have what? While loop, and then what? While else. While loop, while else. This is what based on the condition. First one is what? Based on the range, based on the condition. Two categories. So then transfer statements. If you observe transfer statements, we have break, continue, return. Break, continue, return, and we have what? Pass, and we have what? Assert. This all comes as part of what? Your transfer statements. We can move our control from what? One place to another place. We can move our control from one place to another place, right? Guys, I'll give you 1 minute time for everyone. Observe the diagram. Observe the diagram. If you're good in these particular control flow statement, damn sure, guys, you are able to understand any programming language, guys. No doubt at all. All programming languages contain this basic control flow statement common. Okay. Guys, the people who have idea about other programming languages called C, C++, Java, .NET, something else. Guys, is there any candidate who have idea about other programming languages? C, C++. Is there anyone? Ping me message called S? C, C++, Java, .NET. Yes, ma. There, what happened? We have, as part of the conditional statement, we have what, ma? Switch case available, right? As part of the conditional statement, we have switch case. And as part of the looping statement, we have a do while. But in Python, okay, we don't have what much switch as well as do while, guys, because whatever the options which we will do, that part we can do by using elif. Whatever the part do while will do, that part we can do by using while loop itself, right? So guys, only on this control flow statement, I repeat, only on this control flow statement, we are going to do two projects. We are going to do two projects. I'll give you 2 minutes time to everyone. I'll give 2 minutes time to everyone. Just observe this entire diagram. If you close eyes, you need to collect this diagram. Just revise, everyone revise. Control flow statements. Guys, now let's see here. I hope it's clear, right? Guys, everyone ping me the response, Is it clear, everyone? Guys, give me your response in chat box. Is it clear, everyone? I repeat, even if you close the eyes, you need to say all these answers. Done. Now, so in real time, where we are using these things. Okay, first we need to work with conditional statement. So our target is what? In the real time scenario, where we are using all these. That's what we need to understand first. In the real time scenario, where we are using all these, right? Now let's observe where we are using in the sense. So let me open my browser. Okay, let me open my browser. Now let's see here. Here what happened? I open a browser. So let's go for online shopping. I open Amazon, guys. Let's see. I open what? Amazon, right? In Amazon, I think, guys, there is a 10% discount, guys. Instant discount for 10%. Guys, is it for all the customers or any specific condition? This 10% discount for all customers or only SBA card holders? Only SBA cards, right? That means if you have SBA card, then only you are eligible for discount. Otherwise, you are not eligible for discount. Go for if condition. If. Go for what? If condition. So if the condition satisfied, provide discount. If the condition not satisfied, don't give the discount. Right? So let me go for here. One more option. So my target is I want to book the ticket. If you want to book the ticket, if you want to book the ticket, what I have to do? Okay. Now observe there is an offers. So there is an offer called what? You can save 300 rupees on what bus tickets. So bus 300. Swati, do you have any questions, ma? Okay, fine. So observe here we have an option called bus 300. So at the time of payment, if you give this coupon, bus 300 is the coupon code. Or first, if you are a first user, then you are going to get 250 rupees discount. If you are a first user, then you are going to get 250 rupees discount. Okay. Right. So that means what happened here? So here I have to verify the condition. According to the condition, then we need to go for what? Perform the operation. Multiple options available. So multiple option available. User will choose any one. User will choose what? Any one. Go for what ma? Your go for what ma? Your option called as what? If else. Actually, two option available. Eligible for discount, not eligible for discount. Then go for what? If else. Maybe that, maybe this. Two options available. Anyone I have to choose. Go for if else. And so one more guys. Your regular day-to-day life you already used guys. For example, you went for one tiffin center. Guys, observe you went for one tiffin center or tea shop. So you order for on plate idli done, and then you need to do the payment, right? At the time of payment, guys, do you have only one option or multiple options available? If you want to do payment, do you have only one option or multiple options available? Yes, ma. Everyone, ping me the answer in chat box. If you want to do payment at that time, do you have only single option or multiple options? Of course, multiple options, right? They will say that you can do the payment by using Google Pay, or they will say that you can do payment by using what? Phone Pay, right? Otherwise, they say that you can do the payment by using card. You can give the cash, so you can do the Paytm. You can do the payment some other apps, right? That means we have multiple options available. Okay, fine, good. Now you tell me guys one more point. Are you going to do payment by using all options or any one option? Are you going to do the payment by using all option or any one? Yes, my yes, everyone. Guys, everyone has to respond in chat box. Everyone has to respond in chat box. Yes, very good. So that means we are going to do the payment. Means anyone, right? That means multiple options available for you. I repeat, multiple options available for you. But you are going to choose only one option. You are going to choose what, ma? Only one option. In such scenario, you can go for what, ma? Your if. You can go for what? If, right? Now let's see. Multiple options available. I have to choose any one. Then go for if. So in front of you, imagine you have two options. Only one I have to choose. If else. Multiple options available. I have to choose what ma. So any one. Go for what? If. Go for what? If. Sir, only else if and elif same. But in Python, we have to use elif. In other programming language, people will call it as an else if. Okay. So I have only one option available. I have only one option available. That one option I have to execute. That one option I have to execute based on the condition. Then go for what? If. Okay. Yes, ma. Now let me say some options, ma. Let me give you some requirement. Then based on the requirement, you need to decide. So if else, else, which one is suitable, right? If else, if what ma? Else. Three options available, right? Now I'll give you some case studies, ma. I'll give you some case study. Observe if else, and else. Three options available for us, right? Okay. Now let's observe basically if. So when to go for if in the sense, guys, observe when to go for if you have only one option. Okay, so you have to choose that option based on the condition. Then go for what? If you have only one set, if you want to execute single set of statements, single set of statement based on condition. Then go for what? If you want to execute single set of statement based on the condition, go for what? If I have only one set, that set I have to execute based on the condition. Go for if. Next one is what? If else. Next one is what? If else. If your target is what? Imagine if you want to execute only one set out of two sets, then use if else. I repeat, your target is what? If you want to execute only one set. I repeat, your requirement is what? You have to execute only one set out of what? Two sets. Out of what? Two sets. Then go for what? If else. Then go for if else. Next one is what? L if. When to go for L if your target is, if you want to execute only one set out of more than two sets, more than two sets, then go for what? Then go for what? L if, right? So just revise. I have only one set. If condition satisfy, I want to execute. Otherwise, I don't want. Go for if. Two sets are available. I repeat, two sets are available. Maybe that one or maybe this one. Two sets are available. Maybe I'll go for that one or maybe I will go for this one. Any one. Out of two sets, I'll go for any one. I'll go for any one. In that scenario, go for what? If else. In that scenario, go for what? If else. Right? And my target is what? So more than two sets are there, then go for what? L if. Now let me give the scenario, guys. So imagine I have a requirement. According to the requirement, I need to check. Okay. So my program is related to, they ask write a program, to check student is pass or fail. Write a program to check student is what? Pass or fail. This is the question they asked. Guys, now tell me, guys, in this scenario, if else, else. Yes, guys, everyone. In this scenario, if else, else. Everyone, give me the answer in chat box. Guys, still some people are not responded. Everyone has to give response in chat box. Everyone has to give response in chat box. If you already done, then you can ignore, guys. If you didn't done, then only ping me answer in chat box. Right? Very good, ma'am. Because pass fail two options available. Pass fail two options available. So that's the reason in this scenario we need to go for what? If else. If else is required, because of course we have two options available. One is what? Pass. Second one is fail. That's the reason we need to go for if else. Right? Good. Next, one more requirement, guys. Imagine customer trying to open bank account. So actually we have what the bank account types are what we have options like this: salary account, second one is saving accounts, third one is what current account. Like we have three options available, guys. When customers are coming, they are going to take the accounts, right? And now tell me, guys, in this scenario, so which option I have to choose? Salary, saving, or current? Three options available, only one option the user has to choose. So if else, else. If else, else. Yes, everyone. Guys, everyone has to respond in chat box. I repeat, everyone has to respond in chat box. Good. Here we need three options available. Any one out of three, any one, right? Out of three, any one. Let's go for what? L if. Out of three, any one. Go for what? L if. So next one, my requirement is I have to develop an application for booking. So develop application for book bus ticket. Guys, bus ticket or train ticket, whatever it might be. So bus or train ticket, I am trying to book the ticket. Now, yes, of course. Actually, they kept a certain requirement, guys. According to the requirement, certain passengers they no need to take ticket. No ticket customers available. Some customers they have to take off ticket. Some customers obviously they have to take full ticket. This is the requirement. Some customers they are taking no ticket. Some customers they are going to take half ticket. Some customers they are going to take full ticket, right? And now in this scenario, so at the time of giving tickets, I have to verify, right? The age, according to the age, I have to give the ticket. Now in such scenario, go for if else, else. Yes, my if else, else. Yes, everyone. Three options available. The customer, one customer, what they are doing, one customer is going to choose only one option. Maybe we'll go for no ticket, maybe off ticket, maybe what ma full ticket. Anyone, anyone for one person, anyone at a time, right? Out of multiple options available, one person, anyone at a time. One person, anyone at a time. In such scenario, go for what? Elif. Go for what ma? Elif. Anyone at a time. Go for Elif. Right? Okay, good. Yeah. Now let me ask one more requirement. Guys, tomorrow when our question comes, so you have to decide first. So whether to use if else, if like you have to decide. So then only, so what in interview time, at least you are able to finish the program. Whatever the question they ask on that one, you are able to do it, right? Yeah. Now let me ask, guys. Before asking next question, guys, in your chat box, already our admin team is posted one link, right? So everyone fill that link, guys. Guys, everyone check in your chat box. Okay. If you already done, okay, leave it, ma. If you already done, ignore. If you already done, ignore. Okay. If you're not done, okay, finish that link, guys. Just click that link. You will get a form. Fill the details, ma. Because we have to share the notes, right? As a part of the advanced Python. I repeat, ma. As part of the advanced Python, yes, we are going to share what, ma? Daily notes and core Python recordings, advanced Python recordings, and assignments also. We are going to give assignments also, guys. And based on the concepts, we are going to provide assignment also. Once concept done, assignment provided, right? So if you fill that form so that we are able to share these information to you guys. Everyone, guys, everyone fill that form, right? Next question is, my requirement is, okay, my requirement is, I have to develop login form. I have to develop login form, right? Now in this scenario, the customer comes, they entered username and password, then they clicked the login option, right? The customer come, they clicked the button, and then what happened is they're going to log in. For example, let me show you one small example here. I said, now let's click on the login option. here what happened, guys? Okay, here what happened? Yes, I have to log in, guys. I have to enter username, I have to enter the password, then I have to click login, right? Guys, tell me, guys, observe this diagram, this web page. Here we have conditional statement, guys. If if else, else. In this login area, I repeat, in this login area, if else, else. Which option available, guys? If else, else. Everyone think at the time of login, if else or else, which one is suitable here? Yes, everyone ping me the answer in chat box. Think and ping me the answer in chat box. If else or else. If else or else, which one is suitable? Ping me answer in chat box. So here definitely we have to go forward. User enter the details. The user may be what ma? May be valid user. The user may be invalid user, right? Maybe is a valid user, maybe invalid. Two options available. Valid, invalid. Two options. Option number one is what? Valid user. Option number two is what? Invalid user, right? So here two option, might be valid user or might be invalid user. Might be it is what? Valid user. Otherwise might be what? Invalid user. Okay, might be valid user or might be what? Invalid user, right? Now let's see, guys. Okay, out of two options, the user has to choose any one. So we need to go for what? We need to go for what? If else, right? Like this, guys. And okay, what happened? The entire concept, advanced Python, the entire advanced Python, what we will do? So I will open a website. I'll show you the requirements. I'll open a website. I'll show you the requirements. According to the requirement, we will continue the sessions, guys. Yes. So I repeat, man, the future is Python only. I repeat, the future is Python only. There the more openings are there based on Python, guys. Based on the Python right now, compared to all other programming languages, Python occupies the leading role, guys. Right? So if you good in Python, then only tomorrow your job at the time of job, it is good for you, right? I repeat, if you are good in the Python, not only two concepts, you can complete Python, you have to learn. If you're good in that Python, then only your future will be good, guys. The future, complete future depends on Python, guys. Right? So tomorrow, what we are going to do, tomorrow we are going to start if. So how to develop program by using if. How to develop program by using what ma? Your if else, if, multiple if, nested if. These concepts we will discuss in tomorrow's session, guys. So first of all, we'll start with if, then some programming, if else some programming, if some programming. Then what happened? Then we'll give I will give you project work also. Then I'll give you project work, right? So that's it for today, guys, and we'll meet tomorrow, guys. That's it for today, and we'll meet tomorrow, guys. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, hi everyone. Just fill that form if you haven't filled. Just fill that form. I'm sharing the link again here.
Guys, everyone fill that form so that you are able to get what? Your notes, materials, assignments, everything, guys. Without filling the form, we didn't get your details, so we cannot send the details. Or we cannot share the what assignments. Later, don't ask, sir, where is the assignment like this? Okay. So if you already done, leave it. Okay. If you already done, leave it. If you didn't finish, then what? So finish that one, guys.
Link is there. You can
Already
join.
link available in what chat box. Check it. Already link available in
No,
chat
you can
box.
join with both.
Hello.
Yeah. Just give me a
This is
second.
so this. Hello.
Yes, Snehal.
So this link is from only for advanced Python students.
Yes, ma'am. This is advanced Python session only.
Okay.
Core
Okay.
Python already finished, na? So now today onwards we started advanced Python.
Okay. So okay.
Okay. Yeah. So I'm going to end this session, guys, and we'll meet tomorrow, guys. Thank you, ma.
Yeah, if you fill that form, you can leave the meeting.
Yes, ma. If you done, if you fill that form, then you can leave it, guys.